I missed the bus. I missed the bus. He didn't answer the phone. He didn't answer the phone. We're planning a trip. We're planning a trip. She is afraid of heights. She is afraid of heights. It's not important. It's not important. Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? I'm feeling better now. I'm feeling better now. The children are sleeping. The children are sleeping. Don't open the window. Don't open the window. I like this movie. I like this movie. He always forgets my birthday. He always forgets my birthday. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? We need to talk. We need to talk. She's listening to music. She's listening to music. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I have no idea. I have no idea. They moved last month. They moved last month. I saw it on TV. I saw it on TV. Let me help you. Let me help you. That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting. She doesn't understand me. She doesn't understand me. Take your time. Take your time. He is in a bad mood. He is in a bad mood. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. What's the problem? What's the problem? We need more chairs. We need more chairs. I'm ready to start. I'm ready to start. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? It's too cold outside. It's too cold outside. He didn't like the food. He didn't like the food. She wants to be a doctor. She wants to be a doctor. This road is dangerous. This road is dangerous. Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? I haven't finished yet. I haven't finished yet. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. They are watching a movie. They are watching a movie. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. He is very polite. He is very polite. We are late. We are late. I'm almost ready. I'm almost ready. He forgot my name. He forgot my name. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. She speaks 3 languages. She speaks 3 languages. The train is late. The train is late. Do you need help? Do you need help? I'm just looking. I'm just looking. It's very interesting. It's very interesting. They always agree. They always agree. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it. He is at the gym. He is at the gym. We stayed at a hotel. We stayed at a hotel. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's not allowed. It's not allowed. She broke her phone. She broke her phone. Can you help me carry this? Can you help me carry this? I think you're right. I think you're right. He looks very tired. He looks very tired. I'm going to be late. I'm going to be late. We don't have much time. We don't have much time. I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. She loves to cook. She loves to cook. He's not answering. He's not answering. We'll talk later. We'll talk later. That's too expensive. That's too expensive. I can't find my wallet. I can't find my wallet. The room is too small. The room is too small. Let me think. Let me think. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? She always helps me. She always helps me. We arrived on time. We arrived on time. He's looking for a job. He's looking for a job. I'm learning to swim. I'm learning to swim. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. The book is boring. The book is boring. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. She's waiting outside. She's waiting outside. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. He needs a vacation. He needs a vacation. The soup is too hot. The soup is too hot. She's cleaning her room. She's cleaning her room. I'll be back soon. I'll be back soon. Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? It's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place. We missed the bus. We missed the bus. He's always late. He's always late. We missed the bus. We missed the bus. I'm learning to cook. I'm learning to cook. He's always late. He's always late. I need to buy some milk. I need to buy some milk. The weather is perfect today. The weather is perfect today. She doesn't like coffee. She doesn't like coffee. Let's stay at home. Let's stay at home. He went to the doctor. He went to the doctor. This is my favorite song. This is my favorite song. They're having lunch now. They're having lunch now. My phone is dead. My phone is dead. She got a new job. She got a new job. We need to talk. We need to talk. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that.